Welcome to our video on why starting an LLC and obtaining an employer identification number (EIN) is crucial for Uber and Lyft drivers in the United States. In this video, we will explain the benefits of forming an LLC and guide you through the step-by-step process of starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN for your ride-sharing business. Benefits of starting an LLC for Uber or Lyft drivers. Let's start by discussing the benefits of starting an LLC for Uber and Lyft drivers. 1. Personal asset protection. The first major advantage of forming an LLC is personal asset protection. As an individual driver, you are personally liable for any accidents or incidents that occurred during your ride-sharing activities. However, by establishing an LLC, you separate your personal assets from your business liabilities. This means that in the event of a lawsuit or other legal action, only your business assets are at risk, while your personal assets remain protected. 2. Tax advantages. The second benefit is tax advantages. As an LLC, you have the flexibility to choose how you want your business to be taxed. By default, a single-member LLC is considered a disregarded entity for tax purposes, which means that the business's income and expenses are reported on your personal tax return. This simplifies tax filing and allows you to take advantage of various deductions and credits available to small businesses. 3. Professional image. The third benefit is creating a professional image. By forming an LLC, you present yourself as a legitimate business entity rather than just an individual driver. This can help you attract more customers and establish trust and credibility in the eyes of potential riders. 4. Access to business resources. The fourth benefit is access to business resources. As an LLC, you gain access to a wide range of business resources and support systems. This includes business banking, lines of credit, and potential partnerships with other companies. Additionally, being an LLC may also open up opportunities for business grants or funding that are not available to individual drivers. Now that you understand the benefits, let's go through the step-by-step process of starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN for your Uber or Lyft business. Step 1. Choose a business name. Your business name should reflect your brand and be unique to avoid any legal conflicts. You can check the availability of your desired business name on your state's Secretary of State website or through online business name search tools. Step 2. Determine the state of formation. You will typically form your LLC in the state where you reside or operate your business. Each state has different requirements and fees for LLC formation, so it's essential to research the specific regulations of your state. Step 3. File articles of organization. This is the legal document that officially registers your LLC with the state. You can obtain the necessary forms from the Secretary of State's website or by contacting their office directly. Fill out the form accurately and pay the required filing fee. Step 4. Draft an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, an operating agreement is a crucial document that outlines the ownership structure, management, and operating procedures of your LLC. It helps establish clear guidelines for decision-making, profit sharing, and resolving disputes among the members of the LLC. It's recommended to consult with a legal professional or use online resources to create a comprehensive operating agreement, tailored to your specific business needs. Step 5. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. As an Uber or Lyft driver, you'll likely need a driver's license and may need additional permits or certifications depending on your location. Research the requirements in your city or state and ensure you comply with all regulations. Step 6. Apply for an employer identification number (EIN). An EIN is a unique 9-digit number issued by the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). To identify your LLC for tax purposes. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website or by submitting Form SS-4 by mail or fax. The application process is straightforward and typically requires basic information about your LLC. Step 7. Open a business bank account. It's crucial to keep your personal and business finances separate, as this helps maintain the liability protection of your LLC. Visit local banks or credit unions to compare business banking options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Bring your LLC formation documents, EIN confirmation, and identification to open the account. Step 8. Register for state and local taxes. As a business entity, your LLC may be subject to certain tax obligations, such as sales tax or payroll taxes. Research the tax requirements in your state and register accordingly. You may need to obtain a sales tax permit or employer withholding account, depending on your business activities. Step 9. Obtain business insurance. While Uber and Lyft provide some insurance coverage for their drivers, it's wise to consider additional coverage to protect your business. Consult with an insurance agent to explore options like commercial auto insurance, general liability insurance, or rideshare-specific policies. Step 10. Maintain ongoing compliance. Once your LLC is formed, there are ongoing requirements to keep your business in good standing. This may include filing annual reports, paying state fees, and keeping accurate records of your business activities. Stay informed about your state's compliance obligations to avoid penalties or the dissolution of your LLC. Congratulations! By starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN, you have taken important steps to protect your personal assets, maximize tax benefits, and establish a professional image for your Uber or Lyft business. Remember to consult with legal and financial professionals for personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances. We hope this detailed guide has been helpful in understanding the benefits of starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN for your ride-sharing business. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey as an Uber or Lyft driver. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Incfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Incfile. Incfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Incfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Incfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Incfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the Incfile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because Incfile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email, which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. Incfile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America, so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.